Hello everyone, and welcome to this meditative beginner's calligraphy session. It does not matter if you have done calligraphy before or you are holding a brush pen for the first time in your life. This creative meditation is for everyone. So find a comfortable position, get your paper and brush pen. Guidelines are optional because we are not focusing on perfection, rather accepting the wonkiness. Today, we will be practicing some elegant ovals and compound curves. Before starting, you can close your eyes and take a deep breath in and a long one out. I am creating guidelines for myself, but this is not necessarily needed. You can just start without them. Let's start with the compound curve first. Remember, don't have any expectations from this process or the final result. Just allow this exercise to happen without any judgment. This stroke is like a wave. Gently touch the tip of your brush pen on the paper for your upstroke and put some pressure when going down and let go of the pressure when going up again. The structure of a compound curve has 3 parallel strokes. Let's do it again and create more compound curves. Trust the process and allow the lines to flow. Like a stream of the river that flows naturally, and there is never a need to control anything. If you make a mistake, let it be, as mistakes are a part of your journey. Accept the mistake and move on to the next stroke. Do not think of situations in your life as good or bad. Simply accept them for what they are. Many things in this world happen outside of our control. That sometimes creates an outcome that affects us. As you get on with your day, remember that acceptance of what is and letting go of your expectations will set you free. I hope you were able to calm your mind and find peace in these simple exercises that build muscle memory and also help you to practice your brush pen control.